everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing some DIY lash extensions. I'm going to be using this brand right here. You can find them on Amazon. So that's what they look like. It's called INMISS. And this is a mixed length. It has 10, 12, 12, 14, 14, and 16 millimeters. And they are the A04. So let's go ahead and get right into this, and we're going to start applying them. So I'm going to be using my clayless glue, which is one of my tops. I like this one and the Lynx one. Those are like my two favorite lash glues because they last a really long time. And I can usually get my lashes to last about 2 weeks. It kind of feels like it's dried out. I'm going to have to use a different one. This one feels like it's got dried out. So I'm going to use Eyelash X. And then I'm going to use these tweezers. I like the ones that are shaped like this. And I don't think you can find these anymore, but any tweezers like that will work. So I'm going to start out with the 16 millimeters right here. See, that's what they look like. Very full. I'm going to go ahead and press them down now. So as you can see, this is before, after. I mean, it's always a major difference. They're looking a little more shiny on camera than they really are, but I think it's the light that's making them look like that. Okay, so that's what they look like. You can see the light was kind of like reflecting and making them look shiny, but that's what they really look like. I love them. So let me go ahead and apply this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what the final results look like. Okay, so that is what it looks like completely finished. I absolutely love the way these lashes look. They are so full and beautiful, as you can see. Get a little glue right there. I need to get off. But it's so pretty, right? Very full. I know that this is like a lot bolder than what most people wear. This is me every day. I'm like crazy. You should see some boots that I got for Mother's Day. I'm just like very bold. I like bold things, and these are 100% me. Definitely give them a 5 out of 5. We'll see how long they last. Most of the time I can get lashes to last about 2 weeks, but every now and then I'll get a set and they almost like dissolve. So I'll keep you guys updated on these. So far I like the way they look, but as for quality, we'll have to see if they get wet and they start deteriorating. But yeah, that's what they look like. Okay, so I wanted to update you on these lashes. They're actually quite like horrible, to be honest with you. They keep peeling. Now they're not going to do that. Like, they're shedding. I've already had to replace this lash and this lash. And then, like, when I'm doing my makeup and stuff, if it gets even slightly wet, they almost dissolve. They look really pretty on. This is my 3rd day of wearing them. So, I mean, I can get them to last. But, like I said, I've already had to replace these 2 lashes. Still better than your regular, like everyday lashes, but they do sell some that are better quality, that are just as pretty, that don't like mess up like this. So they're not the best quality. They are still really pretty, but like they don't hold up. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.